Okay, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal offcuts. They're mostly faces of material, rules and millimeters. Materials wetted to help highlight the colours. I think you'll find most pieces have small faces of colour. There's that big piece down in the corner. Something like that, you just polish it and put a rope string through it as a pendant. It's a bit thinner. Pieces like this that not so good. Interesting pattern, fairly thick. Pieces like this. You might be able to get a bit more of the brown out. Shape it up into a stone. These are some of the pieces that were upside down in the parcel. Just quickly go through a few of them. There's another seam through there if you want to try to chase it. Might be a bit thin though. Looks like a piece of Koroite. Just cut that out the way it is in the resting stone. As you can see, these were just tipped up upside down, so there's a lot more potential here than what first appears. See, that piece hasn't got much. But there's still a little stone there for you. Piece a bit undulating. Hasn't been cut out, it's just broken out by the looks. Still, you could cut a couple of pieces of colour out of there. Concave. It's not showing a lot of colour, but there's a little picture stone. Of course, all these smaller pieces, I think you'll find most of them got colour again. Sometimes those are the little gems. A nice piece hiding away. Anyway, I think you've got a good idea of what's in the parcel. I hope you've enjoyed, and there's still a few surprises left. I hope you've enjoyed. Bye.